Hello, hello, hello. This is Kostas, and to this video, I'm gonna show you um, how you can use this new app, AzuraCast Report Generator (XLSX), and file a report which will be uh, easy to send to this platform, to STIM. This one is for Sweden, but it can be used for any other country. But the purpose of this report, the particular one, and the program, it was created to send to IFPI and the STIM. Okay, those two platforms they collect the uh, in fact the money for the rights of all those this music that you play to your radio or to any public places. Okay, you can read more about that to the official websites. The point is that inside AzuraCast, you're gonna see that you have the logs over here and you have the reports. There is a report ready here just to use for the USA and to send to the actual total performance is I guess it's the one government entity there that they collect the fees. Let me just check it. Yeah, this particular sound exchange royalties that it has built in for AzuraCast. It's for reporting to the sound exchange. It's this platform, and over here you can file a report and just upload the music that was played the last month and so on. To this particular video, I'm showcasing how you can file a report, a complete report, and send the data of the normal file that it's used for STIM and the IFPI. Okay, so what this file is, I'm gonna show you just a sample right away. Okay, so we got here a sample of the STIM music usage report. Okay, this music usage report has the particular fields: the date that the music played, the start time, what time it started playing, and the business registration, the customer, okay, the location. The business registration is the business that got the license, okay, the customer, the location, the audio zone where it was playing, the ISRC. The ISRC, it's a unique identification number for each song. And it's global. Okay, that is something that is global, and you can easily find it. Let me show you. Okay, you can find this information using this platform. Let me show you here. You see, the Music Brains. It's a platform where you can easily search any artist. You can search any track and with the duration and the file name, and you can easily spot this ISRC number. Okay, so this is a very convenient way, and it's an open source platform that you can easily find any of those any data that you want about any kind of music, um, and any kind of MP3. So let me show you now. Uh, let's go back here to our report, and here you see we got the plain duration, we got the artist, and we got the title. Okay, the title of the music. So we have to file a full report and report here everything in a single file. Okay, so let me just show you how you can do that using this amazing application. Okay, this application works very in a very simple way. I'm gonna explain it right away. Okay, what this program is doing. Okay, what you have to do here, you have to go to manage stations and add the name of the station, the base URL. It's the URL of or the IP of your AzuraCast installation. You have to produce an API key from your AzuraCast uh, uh, installation. Let me just show you that. If we navigate to our installation and go to my account, uh, you see here I can add an API key. If I click API key, I can write a name or something. I can just write, let's say, AzuraCast Report, and create a new key. When you get your key, when you generate the key, you're not able to see it. So when you generate it, you just copy and paste to this over here. The station ID, it's the station ID. What is your station ID? Let me show you exactly where you can find this one. If you navigate to the main station panel and see your main installation of your AzuraCast, you can, let me just drag and drop over here. You see, you can find easily. Okay, I'm gonna bring it here. You can see here that your station ID is this number, your number 1 over here. Okay, I'm using the number 1, and this is my station ID. Let me just bring everything, just separate views over here. Okay, now that we got the station ID, I can just add the station ID, and the timeline endpoint unused. This is unused. We don't have to add anything here. The business reg number is, in fact, it's the business registration number to your country. The customer, it's the one entity that has the license, and the location is where the music is played. That has to do, if you have a license and you have many locations, you might have, let's say, 3 retail shops, and you want each retail shop to has to play the same music. Okay, you have to mention, you have to create 3 different reports, and just mention those locations. And the audio zone is the audio zone where this music is playing. This can be the reception, it can be an office, it can be the main showroom, or anywhere that you're playing the music. And when you have everything set up, you have just to arrange where this template XLSX path is, and to this particular project, we have this this file. So I'm gonna have this one as a template. Okay, and I have set it to the template folder, and it's the name of this XLX. The output directory, it's gonna be the output. Okay. When we have everything ready, we just to to this example, I'm gonna just click load and load an example of. Let me just clear it like that. Okay. Okay, we got the example, and uh, we got everything loaded, and we have the station loaded here. If we have several stations, we can just select and use uh, the stations from over here, and then just select the dates and hour from which we start the report, and where we finish. So if we decide to create a report for today, let's say, we're gonna set it from here. We're gonna say that it's gonna be from 24 until late in the night today. Okay, and here I can exclude short audio. That the short audio is less than 30 seconds. Usually it's the jingles and the promos. And here I have added an option that we can enable Music Brain's ISRC lookup. What does that do? In case we haven't set any ISRC identification number to our music files, let's go here to a music file. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna open a music file. You see, let's say I got. Let me just find something from here, and let's go to my Suno music here and click edit. You're gonna see here that to each of those songs we got an ISRC identification international standard recording code, as it's called normally, and is used for licensing report. You can use this number and add it over here manually. In case you have this number added here, this application is gonna grab this ISRC number and add it to the report. Okay, it gives priority to your number, and is not gonna search for to identify the music and find it from the Music Brains platform. In case you don't have any ISRC number, it's gonna try to identify the same MP3 and find the name of the artist, the song, and the duration, and identify the ISRC number and get it from the this open source database, and it's gonna grab it and drop it to our report. It's an amazing feature, and it saves us a lot of time. Of course, we can then, in case we want to be sure about any kind of this kind of music that we're playing, and we want to be sure about the identification number, we can just check it and ensure that we have the right number. But the way the application is structured, it's gonna try to get the correct ISRC number. Here, as you can see, we got the option to use AzuraCast ISRC first, okay? Fall back to Music Brains if empty. So, in case we don't have any option to our AzuraCast, that means that when we have the AzuraCast ISRC empty, it's gonna try to locate the Music Brains database and get the correct number. I got an extra option here, relaxed duration match. That's something special, because sometimes we use a remix of a song, and sometimes it's a wedding or you know, uh, a chill out a version or anything, and sometimes the duration might be longer or shorter. This option that I added over here is to check the same uh, artist, the same song, and the same duration, but in case this duration doesn't match and it's 2, 3, 4, or 5, we can even arrange it over here. Uh, Minutes or seconds more or less. It's gonna try to get again the ISRC number. So when we realize what all those things are doing, and we know what we are doing, the only thing and simple thing we got to do is just to click generate the XLSX. Um, so when we play music, what we do is to create this kind of report every once and then, or usually every month. This platform and this application, it's gonna save you tons of time, and it's gonna create. Let me just show you. It's gonna uh, create the whole report, and you see now for the last 24 hours and maybe less, it's about 12 hours. Uh, it's gonna create a report of all the songs that we have played between this period. The point is that it's gonna exclude the short audio because we got a lot of plays that it's all about jingles, and it's gonna give us the report. Let me just see what's wrong here. Okay, as we can see, the problem is just to the path because it didn't get the correct template. So I'm gonna have to fix just the template here. I'm gonna have to load and correct this part. Let me just give me a moment to correct it. Okay, and now that I have set the correct export file, because that wasn't the correct path, I had I made a small change. I'm gonna just click again, generate XLSX. It's gonna get the template, the original file, and it's gonna start create the file. You see now that we got done, wrote 218 rows. That means that we played 280 songs. Okay, and it's gonna we're gonna find here to the output that it created our last report. The report is this one. Okay, you can insert that this one. It's gonna give you a number over here too, and I can just go ahead and open the report to ensure that everything is correct. You're gonna see that some of the songs are not gonna have ISRC number. You see, I got the report here. I got everything. I got a test registration over here. I got the location. I got everything. The web radio, and over here I got everything needed. As we can see, I had it started writing from the 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. It started writing from over here, so it started a little bit early to write for our songs. I'm gonna fix it right away, but the point is that it should start writing from here and not from here. And we got all our songs that it played all this time for the last 24 hours, and we got even the ISRC numbers for all of those songs. For some of them, we might need to check and find the correct name to the music. Let me show you to the music brain .org search, and we can find the correct ISRC number. Okay, and add it over here. But the best it's gonna be to add it straight to our MP3, straight to our AzuraCast. So to the next export, we're not gonna have to do this kind of tweaking, and we're gonna have everything correct for our report. Okay, that was all. I believe that this report is gonna save you a tons of time, because it's gonna give you the opportunity to export any report from all of your stations, because you can you see, you can save any station that you want over here. You can have let's say 5 10 12 20 stations, and you can just generate the reports and send it for preview from the official authority. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and please, in case you have any question, just write down to the comments, and stay tuned for more interesting videos, and I'm gonna improve this small utility to create even more accurate and more detailed report. Thank you very much, and I will see you to the next video. Bye bye.